Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, I am going to give you the important questions for the subject economics, which is for degree first year second semester students. By watching this video and getting prepared with all the questions whatever I am giving you in this video, easily you can score full marks in this subject examination. And there are high chances to score O grade also. So watch the video till end, and if you are new to our channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more videos and don't forget to share this video with your friends too. If you want the notes of economics, all the important short as well as long question answers will be given in that notes. The notes are easy, simple and clear to understand. All the subject, the complete subject, I mean, you will be perfect with the full subject economics easily. So if you want the notes, you can text me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is also Learn with Sahira. You text me there, I will be giving you the most important question and answers notes which are prepared by me, which are simple and clear to understand. Okay, whatever the questions I'm giving you in this video, all question answers are given in that notes. So if you want the notes, text me on my Instagram, but note payment is must. I repeat, payment is must. So if you are ready to take the notes, then only you text me on my Instagram. Otherwise, don't waste your time and don't waste my time. Okay, so keeping this aside, let us get started with the important questions from each and every unit. We will discuss short as well as long question answers from each unit. Okay, so let us start with unit number 1, short important questions. First short important question is macroeconomics. I will just give a reading, you just make a note of it, or you just like this video so that it will be there in your liked videos. Okay, like the video, or else you can share it on your WhatsApp too for yourself. From there you can easily get the access. Okay, importance of macroeconomics, concept of circular flow of income, per capita income, and differences between GDP and GNP, income method, national income. So these are the 7 important questions from the unit number 1. These are the short questions. So if you be perfect with these 7 questions, definitely whatever the question they might ask you in part A from unit number 1, you will be able to write. Now let us talk about the long important questions from unit number 1. You are having define and explain the importance of macroeconomics. Okay, then we have circular flow of income with suitable charts. If they are mentioning you to draw the charts or give the charts, definitely you have to, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Explain the nature of circular flow of income in 2 or 3 sector economy. Explain the various concepts of national income. These are the 4 important questions from unit number 1. And then there is the option also. See, if this is the question, okay, your part B will be starting from 9th question, right? In 9th you will be having A and you will be having B, right? So if you prepare this above 4 questions, 1, 2, 3 and 4, you will be able to attempt A1. Okay, you will be able to attempt A1. If you are leaving the above ones, like if you feel difficulty to get prepared with the above ones, or if you don't want to go with that questions, if you go with the down questions whatever I will say you now, you will be able to attempt B1. Okay, you will not attempt A1, you will be going with the B1. So the choice is yours, either you go with above or below. But two from here, two from here, you should not do like that. Either you go with above full question answers whatever I am giving you, or else you go with the below full question answers, 1 from here, 3 from here, 2 from here, 1 from there. No, you don't do like that. अगर पढ़ना है ऊपर के तो पढ़ो, नहीं तो नीचे के तो भी पढ़ो. Okay, so if you want to attempt A, those were the 4 questions whatever I have given you. Then down, if you want to attempt B, see what are the components of national income, explain the value added income methods of estimation of national income. Then we have explain methods of measurements of national income, discuss the income and expenditure methods of national income estimation. Then we have explain the various methods and defects of estimation of national income, explain the various methods of estimation of national income. See, these both again and again they have come, right? But here you see, here they are asking you defects. Okay, here it is directly asking you methods of estimation of national income. Here methods and defects, so there is the difference. Okay, don't think that both are same. See, that is why you need to read the question perfectly in your examination. Then we have discussed the difficulties in the estimation of national income. So these are the 6 important questions from option. Okay, if you be perfect with this 6, you will be able to attempt B1. Okay, now let us go with the unit 2. In unit 2, short important questions are the concept of effective demand, APC, marginal propensity to consume, concept of APC and MPC, marginal propensity to consume. Then we have multiplier, then concept of multiplier, acceleration. So these are the 8 important questions from unit number 2. Okay, now long question answers, let us go with. We have this theory. This theory is really very much important, ma. This theory you have to be perfect with. Okay, in your intermediate also, when you were having economic subject in your intermediate also, you have written about this theory. Very important. Okay, so you be perfect with this theory. Then also we have consumption function, MPS and APS. Then explain the effective demand. So if you be perfect with these 4, you will be able to attempt A1. Okay, if not A, you can go with the B also. Explain the determinants of consumption function, concept of multiplier. Then what is multiplier, explain its assumptions and limitations. Then we have concepts of investment multiplier and acceleration. Explain the concept of accelerator and its importance, B1. Okay, so next from unit number 3, the concept of autonomous investment, assumptions of classical quantity theory of money, induced investment, autonomous investment, marginal efficiency of investment, marginal efficiency of capital, types of investment, liquidity preference. So these are the short important questions from unit number 3. Now let us go with the long important questions. What is investment? Write its different types of investments. Define investment and explain the determinants of investment. Explain the determination of equilibrium, level of investment. What are the determinants of efficiency of capital? Explain. So if you be perfect with these 4, whatever I have given you, you will be able to write A1 from the question. Then it is neoclassical theory of interest and neoclassical theory of interest rate determination. Here again we have explain the Keynesian theory of interest. Okay, then short important questions from unit number 4. The medium of exchange and measure of value functions of money. M1, M3, classification of money, Fisher's exchange equation. M2, money supply measure, measures of money supply. MV equals to PT, how you have to explain primary functions of money. So these are the 9 important questions from unit number 4. Then we have long, define money and explain its function. Define money, explain the classification of money. Define money and explain various measures of money supply in India. Discuss about the RBI's measure of money supply. Okay, the central bank. So what are its measure of money supply? You have to mention. Classify the measures of money as per RBI and explain the function of money. No need to worry about the answers. Already I have prepared the notes. If you want that notes, text me on my Instagram. Okay, easy, simple and clear to understand notes are prepared by me. If you want the notes, I repeat, you text me on my Instagram. Then in the or you are having explain about the Fisher's quantity theory of money. Explain the Fisher's cash transactions theory. Explain the Cambridge quantity theory of money. Explain the Cambridge version of quantity theory of money. Okay, write about cash balances approach of quantity theory of money. Explain Keynes theory of money. Then explain Keynesian theory of money and prices. Okay, so these are the 7 important questions from B. Okay, if you be perfect with these 4, these 7, you will be able to write B. Then we have unit 5, short important questions. The concept of stagflation, Phillips curve features, concept of deflation, and define inflation. Explain any 2 types of inflation. Long important questions you can see. Discuss in detail various causes of inflation. Then explain the effects of inflation. Define inflation and explain the various types of inflation. Explain various measures of control to inflation. Okay, if you be perfect with these four, you will be able to write A. If you leave all that and you go with the down, like combination of inflation and stagnation is stagflation, justify the statement with reference to developing countries. Write about trade cycles, define trade cycles, explain the causes of trade cycles, explain the various phases of trade cycles. So down also you have given 4 questions. If you be perfect with these 4 questions, down 4 questions, you will be able to attempt B1. Okay, for the notes you can text me on my Instagram. All the important questions whatever I have given you here, all these notes are prepared by me, but you text me there. But note payment is must. Okay, so text me there, I will be giving you the notes. See you all in the next video. All the very best. And also if you want the explanation videos, let me know in the comment section. How many people will ask me for explanations? Let me see. Okay, bye bye.